Here we are in the manhole where the secondary fire was. Here we have some cable burned up. Secondary main here. Here's one of the mains too that was connected to the other ones. Up above it we have some primary cable that got burned up pretty good. And also in this duct here at the top. Down here is some good cable which had some burns on it, just on jacketing. We repaired that and everything is good. Up here is in the corner is fiber optic, that little white wisp. And as I pan back and come over to the right here, here's the other end of the fiber optic, which melted completely.
Did it move it or?
As you can see, there's lots of soot in the hole and everything's covered because of the fire.